like a marble run pit. We should select different types of colors we should write on in a marble. Yeah, that's like the whole point, sweetheart. Yep, and definitely, hopefully we don't die getting out of or falling down. Nice going, sweetheart. Lol. Let's just get our marbles in. Let's write whatever. Yep. Okay, I'm gonna choose the dark blue one. Nice. And I have arrived at the dark blue section. Let's do this. This is such a fun game. Yeah, I can't agree with you more. Yes, I love how the commotion and velocity of those marbles are when we go down. I love how we get to choose our own colors. And yeah, nothing else to say about this. As long as it stays like this, I won't have a problem with it.